crazy new house inspection defect finds.
Some of these are too bizarre.
This one is kind of funny, not gonna lie.
Nice. That's exactly how it should be.
On today's episode, Don't Do That Home Inspections.
You won't believe this one.
Don't do that.
New construction. Welcome to your new home.
Imagine getting pierced by that, jeez. Come on, dude. Oopsie.
It's the whole house. Good.
I don't think it should sound like that.